Want to create Instagram Reels that attract views, engagement, and followers? Reels are one of Instagram's most popular features, allowing you to share short-form videos with creative effects, music, and editing tools. In this guide, I'll show you how to create Instagram Reels in 2026. First, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account. Tap the Create button, then select Reel from the available content options. You can record a reel directly inside Instagram or upload video clips from your device. Choose the method that best fits your content. Select your preferred reel length. Instagram may offer multiple duration options depending on the latest app version and available features. Tap the audio option to add music, sound effects, or audio from Instagram's library. Audio can help make your reel more engaging and easier to discover. Instagram includes filters, visual effects, timers, green screen tools, and other creative features. Experiment with different effects to make your content stand out. Trim clips, rearrange scenes, adjust timing, and preview your video before publishing. Good editing can significantly improve viewer retention. Use text overlays, stickers, and captions to make your reel easier to understand and more accessible to viewers watching without sound. Create a caption that describes your content and add relevant hashtags if appropriate. This can help people discover your reel. Once everything looks good, tap Share to publish your reel. It will appear on your profile and may also be shown to new audiences through Instagram's recommendation system. After publishing, review your reel's performance using Instagram Insights. Track views, likes, comments, shares, and watch time to learn what works best, and that's how to create Instagram Reels. By combining creative video clips, engaging audio, and thoughtful editing, you can create content that reaches more people and grows your presence on Instagram. So start experimenting with different reel formats and see what resonates most with your audience. Thanks for watching.